Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your iPhone, specifically with the volume buttons, or for some reason, when you click the volume up or volume down button, maybe nothing works. Maybe you don't even get to see this little option come up. Now, this little issue comes up commonly, and usually I see it within things like Snapchat or Instagram. So if I make my way over to Instagram, and if I were to go ahead and just go to let's just use KSI as an example. If I go to his story and if I go and click volume up, volume down, you see that I do have my little volume up little option come up. But if I go into an app like Snapchat, for example, and if I go swipe here, and if I were to open up any of these stories, you may be able to see that some of the times this little like volume thing on the side doesn't come up. Now, this doesn't signify that the volume buttons are working or not working, but if you actually have a physical button issue, like none of these buttons are working whenever you are even on the home screen, and if you're on other apps it doesn't work either, then I would recommend sending it into Apple. That's really the main thing you can do. But another thing I've seen time and time again that people actually fixed it, if the buttons are just not clicking in or if they're just kind of stuck in a way, is to actually flip your iPhone to the side and literally blow, like with your mouth, blow on the sides of this specific volume key. So you can see, although it is kind of hard, there are little like slits in between here that you can actually kind of blow, So I would recommend blowing in between the volume button key itself and the actual chassis of the device and see if that actually ends up fixing the issue. Sometimes there can be a lot of dust and debris stuck in here, and from doing that, you can kind of mess with the keys, put them volume up and put them volume down and see if that actually ends up fixing it. Now, ultimately, that is pretty much the main thing I would recommend doing. Like I mentioned, that's helped me time and time again. Now, if that doesn't help, another thing you can do is swipe down on the control center and mess with this toggle right here. You can put the volume up and you can put the volume down by doing that. And sometimes by doing that, you will see that the toggle will actually come up again and you may be able to mess with it. Now, sometimes, let's say that doesn't work either, you want to make sure your phone is not on silent mode. So you can see I'm not on silent mode right here. But if I go ahead and go like this, I'm now on, regular mode. So if you want to put your phone on silent mode, you want to go ahead and put it here. If you basically see that little red, option, that means your phone's on silent mode. So sometimes the sound of volume will not work if you put the volumes up or down, the volume buttons up and down. So that's essentially the main ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.